Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Lock the wipers in the raised position. To do this, switch off the ignition, then press down on the wiper lever. You can see the air filter on the top right of the engine compartment on the windscreen frame. Take out the waterproofing joint on the windscreen bay by pulling it upwards from one end to the other. In the area of the windscreen screen, remove the plastic cover by lifting the two plastic tabs. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two screws holding the brake fluid reservoir. Disconnect the electric sheath from the markers to then separate it from the frame. Then move aside the brake fluid reservoir. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two nuts holding the windscreen frame. Now remove the windshield frame. Using a socket wrench, a gimbal and a Phillips head socket, unscrew the two screws on the air filter flange cover. Don't try to take them out, they stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Then pull out the flange. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take off the filter from the plastic rack. Take the new filter. Replace it by inserting the new one into the rack. Insert the whole thing into the compartment. Then screw the two retaining screws back in. Put the windscreen bay back in place. Then screw the nuts back on. Screw the brake fluid reservoir back in. Clip the electric sheath back in. Put the plastic cover back on. Replace the seal. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.